In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned pro at using this project management tool or just starting out, knowing how to effectively add columns can greatly enhance your ability to organize and track your projects. It's a quick and straightforward process, but understanding the nuances can really improve your workflow. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the board where you wish to add a new column. If you're managing multiple boards, make sure you select the correct one you're currently working on. This is crucial because each board is designed to handle different tasks or projects, and selecting the right one ensures you won't disrupt any existing setup. Once you're on your chosen board, locate the plus icon, usually positioned to the right of your existing columns. This plus icon is your gateway to creating new columns, so go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu that presents you with various column options. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a column type. Monday.com offers a wide range of column types to cater to different project needs, whether it's a text column for general notes, a date column to track deadlines, or a status column to indicate progress. Take a moment to consider what kind of information you want to capture with this new column and select accordingly. This decision can significantly impact how effectively you manage your projects. After selecting the type, your new column will appear on your board. The next step is to give it a name. Click on the header of your new column, and a text box will appear, enabling you to enter a descriptive title. This name should clearly reflect the data that will be stored in the column to avoid any confusion later on. Make it specific enough to convey its purpose, yet concise enough to keep your board tidy. There you have it. You've successfully added a column to your board in Monday.com, making it even more tailored to your project needs. Remember, the right column types and names can make it easier for your team to understand and interact with the board, preventing potential mishaps in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to add columns to your boards, a small but potent modification that can significantly enhance your project management experience on Monday.com. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any additional questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to explore more of our videos or the help resources available on Monday.com's website. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!